What you can do is show people through value immediately, which the workshop gives them value without any distributed data or anything attached to it. Already it's proven 30,000 people over the last 10 years or so have gone through that methodology. We've only just digitized it, so we're working on getting people to test out. It's not a personality test. It's not a multiple choice answer. It has those, but it also has reflections. What do you think about your strengths? What do you think about this? And that's where you start to build actual, like an MBTI can only get, somebody gave me a stat the other day, at its best, it can only get like 60% of maybe what you are like, because your individuality, even your imagination, is the soul of you. And while we're never going to digitize all of that, it takes people and what they want to share in the model of the human brain. We show up differently at work than we do at home, but the line is still blurred. Your strengths flow, your strengths, your thinking, feeling, planning, acting. At home, you're maybe you're the head of the household. Maybe at work, you're a guy in purchasing, right? So that dynamic changes over time, but the person really doesn't. They just sort of depends on what you bring into work, right? They say bring your whole self to work, but now people are saying don't do that. Like don't bring everything in. We don't need to know everything about you. Something like neurodiversity is a really interesting one because in some ways I'm ADHD and I wouldn't necessarily tell my manager that, but I'd kind of like the company to know that ADHD is in the mix, right? And I'd like my coach, whoever my coach is, to understand my planning is going to be pretty low. So what can I do? Oh, what you do is you balance out. You should go talk to Aaliyah. You should go talk to Jose. You should go see this VP about something that's tactically going on in the company. What we can build inside the company and outside the company is a network, right? And you guys don't have to be told how that network works. That's the beauty of talking to you. So value immediately, build trust slowly, and then start adding value. And of course, like any product, you're learning what people really want, right? And today we have a world in which people do assessments. They want to know about themselves. But Myers-Briggs, DISC, StrengthsFinder, these are multiple choice things. They go farther if you have a coach that's taking you farther.